CHARMAINE, CURIT, CAPILI, you guys. So guys, as you can see, we moved to a new location. I don't know why. But anyways, you guys, today we're going to be cooking something and I don't know. So guys, it's called Paksiw ng Mackerel, guys. I'm sorry, but in American, guys, it's Mackerel. Guys, sorry if it's not a real American word. I just think that's how you say it in America, guys. I'm sorry for all the English viewers who don't understand, but guys, if you understand it, it's great. Now let's get on to it. The wonderful fish, you guys. It's called mackerel, by the way. Guys, I just looked at this, and most importantly, they look like Cheetos, but they're not Cheetos, they're fish. Alright, you guys, so let's get started onto the cooking, or we need to clean this first. I don't know if that's going to be on camera, but yeah, guys, let's go. Guys, I don't know why we'll keep moving positions. You can't see my face anymore, guys. But guys, here we have this. This is the mackerel fish, guys. Honestly, this is water. This is vinegar. And this is ginger, so don't get confused. I was confused because of this onion skin. Then here we have our onions. Guys, here we have the yellow chilies, guys, with like, this is the baby, this is the mom or dad, whatever. But then guys, here we have, guys, this is garlic with black pepper in America, but yeah. Then guys, we have this, it's salt. I know it's salt, you guys, because the thing.
naluto na siya guys. Naka 30 minutes. 30 minutes na. So much for watching, guys.
Alright guys, I really hope you liked my mom's cooking, guys. It's really amazing and very yummy, guys. I tried this and I did not want to get it on camera because one time, guys, when I didn't have my YouTube channel yet, guys, I really hope you liked the video. Make sure to click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give a huge thumbs up to you guys. Alright, let's get started. I mean, let's no. Bye.
Maybach music. Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me?